There's a look at Hurricane Sergio, Category 4 storm with 140-mile-per-hour sustained winds in the eastern Pacific. Another very strong hurricane, which has been just kind of the continuation for the Pacific Basin this season. So there's Sergio. The good news is that it's going to be drifting to the west. Hurricane Walaka from early Thursday, still a Category 3 storm. There's the Hawaiian Islands. You can see that is going to be lifting north and potentially even impacting the Gulf of Alaska as we head into next week. And then Leslie, a hurricane, but that is drifting east away from the United States. And then we'll have to watch this wave. The National Hurricane Center deeming that a low probability over the next 5 days. All right, Phoenix, Arizona, coming off of some very wet weather since Sunday. But 2 days ago, we had our greatest rainfall tally of 2.36 inches. That became the wettest October day in record and the 8th wettest day in recorded history. But just from Rosa since Sunday, 2.75 inches of rain, and that is more than the entire monsoon season, which picked up just a little more than 2.5 inches. We're still not done with the rain within these areas. Flash flood watches near the Wasatch Range down to Flagstaff, and that's because we have another system moving in to the southwest, but kind of concentrating that moisture a little bit farther north and east now, well away from Los Angeles and San Diego and San Francisco, where they picked up a little bit of rain. So again, there's that trough of low pressure, actually bringing some snow to places in the Rockies once again. Will be cold enough for snow in North Dakota, Montana, and even northern Minnesota, and that's where we do see some advisories. We'll show you that. But despite the Rockies still getting in on some of that snow action, 2 inches of snow in International Falls, potentially maybe an inch or so in Bismarck. We do have some winter weather advisories within those particular areas. But again, this is going to bring another round of wet weather to the Midwest. Severe weather down near Texas and Oklahoma today, and then all the way up to Chicago on your Friday, and then back up into the Great Lakes on Saturday. So this particular quarter is really going to get quite a bit of heavy rainfall as we take you out over the next 5 to 7 days.